feisty. So yeah, I already uploaded part 1 of Johnny Depp being hilarious in court on my YouTube channel, and people loved it. They loved it. I mean, to be honest with you, what is there not to love about Johnny Depp being hilarious in court? So here we go with part 2. But if you haven't seen part 1, click on the card up right on this video.
You heard Miss Heard say, "Get off me," right?
No, I did not. Hitting the wall hard based on the
We'll just take a look at the
accusations
next
that she
exhibit, Mr.
brought.
Depp.
I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You had answered my question. We'll take a look at the next exhibit. Thank you.
yeah. As long as you're happy, sir.
You didn't want her acting. You wanted to control her career, correct?
Objection, compound.
That's
I'll-
patently
hold on,
untrue, and it's a
Mr.
great
Depp,
guess.
sir. All right, yes, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Sorry.
Let's.
That's
we
An
can- we
objection
can- did I read that
compound. You
right?
don't have to continue.
Yes, Mr. Rottenborn.
You're
Rotten
complaining about her ambition in this text to her, to Dr. Kipper, correct?
I'm realizing that her ambition is far stronger than her supposed feelings for me, yes. It doesn't mean that I actually literally cut my finger off after, at the age of 12, finding the only thing that gave me peace, which is playing the guitar. Very unlikely. Why didn't I start lopping off digits when I was 13 then?
Just the way it was worded. Now, Miss Heard,
Yeah.
Miss Heard was.
Objection, relevance.
You didn't say dumbass.
Relevance.
When your nerves are
Wait,
pushed...
sir, if you can
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Okay.
Pardon.
She was trying to get you to stop using drugs, but
She
let's
had
take a
used
look at
the
what you
same-
say in
She had
this
used
text.
that term before.
In this text, Mr. Depp, you say there were numerous negative news stories about you. You'd agree with that, correct?
Objection, compound.
All right, I'll sustain it to compound.
Dude, like, he's a freaking actor. Of course there will be stories about him. All sorts of stories and articles. Are you, like, bro?
Thank you so much.
May 7th, 2016. It's entitled Johnny Depp. Friends and family seriously concerned about him.
Dude, I can make an article online and then you can read it into court? Oh my god.
Here's why.
This is cringe.
Yes.
Correct.
How did they know?
How
the
did
next
they know?
article,
How
from
did
May
they know
1st,
exactly?
2017,
Gonna kill
before
myself.
Miss Heard filed says Johnny Depp reportedly drank heavily and was constantly late on the new Pirates movie set. Did I read that right?
You did, reportedly.
The next
Reportedly.
article,
all hit
also
pieces.
from May
These
10th,
are
Hearsay, bro.
2017.
Hearsay.
Mr.
This is a
Depp,
pathetic
Objection!
attempt.
Mr. Depp,
Hearsay!
please just respond to the question that I'm asking you.
What's your
The next
Mr.
question,
Rottenborn?
the next document is entitled Johnny Depp's financial woes might sink the next Pirates of the
Compound.
Caribbean. Did I read that right?
You did. I don't know
The
how
next
my
article,
financial woes would do
May
that.
25th, 2007. Johnny Depp's star power looks as wobbly as Jack Sparrow on a plank. Did I
Bro,
read
is
that
he
right?
really reading this? Look at the
read that
people in the
very, very
background.
The next one, Hollywood Reporter,
They're
May
laughing,
27th,
bro. They're
2000.
done.
Did I read that
Allegedly
correctly?
reports say... This is hearsay. is
June
it not?
21st,
Yeah, it is
2015,
hearsay.
6 months before the
Your favorite
insider
word.
trial of Johnny Depp. Did I read that right?
You did. You should read the article. It's
And the last
wonderful.
one,
Wonderful.
the last one,
article.
June 22nd, 2018. The day Alison Boshoff reveals why Hollywood's reeling over what's being called Johnny Depp's career note. Did I read that correctly?
You did. Who's Alison Boshoff and how does she know?
Mr. Depp, you can't name
Oh, it
a
won't
single
answer, I see.
actress. No further questions.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we go ahead and take our morning recess for 15 minutes? Do not.
Sean Bailey, who was the number 3.
Objection, hearsay.
You're squeak.
I don't know yet. I'll overrule it at this point.
Thank you.
May I continue, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just basically saying...
Hearsay,
that-
he
Objection,
just...
hearsay.
Are you... Like, what do you mean? He's just trying to speak. He's trying to speak. Hearsay? Well, he's the one saying it. Like, don't ask him questions if you don't want him to
That's what
speak.
Bailey said.
This is about him
It's in
learning about this. It's
article.
not for the truth.
It is the truth. She's
If
asking.
you want to approach, that's hard.
Mr. Depp, could you please explain to the jury who Sean Bailey is? I think you were starting to.
Damn,
Yes,
they really need to
I'll
raise the
try
volume
again.
on this video.
Sean Bailey was quoted as saying that
Objection, hearsay.
Not even, not even surprised. He was quoted. Objection, hearsay.
Mr. Depp, where was Sean Bailey quoted without getting into what he was quoted as saying?
I don't know who did the interview with him.
Objection, lack of foundation.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Depp,
Had been approached to take part in writing
Objection,
Pirate
hearsay.
6.
last week Mr. Rottenborn asked you about a quote where you said you wouldn't come back to the Pirates franchise for $300 million and a million alpacas. Do you remember that?
I do.
What? Do you recall when specifically you made that statement about the $300 million and the 100
Chair
alpacas?
squeak. You hear when you when you hear the chair squeak, you know it's coming. You know what's coming. Hearsay, objection, compound. Ask and answer.
Mr. Depp, do you recognize this document?
As soon as my eyes go on, I hopefully will. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I'm so pathetic when it comes to knowing what movies I've done. I'm sorry. I just
True.
I don't watch them. I feel better not watching them. I couldn't. I mean, what was the question again?
How many?
I have order in the court, or I will.
Oh yeah, I saw this. Like,
Understood?
How would you describe Mr. Bettany's relationship with Miss Heard while you and Miss Heard were together?
Abominable.
Mr. Depp, I believe this is another text message with
abominable.
Mr.
The
Bettany
shit.
that you were saying in your cross-examination.
And when he came home from
Yeah.
school,
Your Honor, I'm just going to object on relevance. The question was, who was this about?
Yeah, we can move on.
Okay.
Mr. Depp, what if any portion of this email exchange is literally true?
we're all set to leave here at approximately 1:30 p.m. Hope you rested well.
That's just the ending of
I
the,
believe there's
of the
also a
message.
napkin down there where
Objection,
someone
Your Honor. Lies,
wiped.
foundation, aren't in evidence.
I can't with this chair squeak. I already know what's coming when I hear the chair squeak. Literally, like, listen.
There's also a napkin down there where
Objection, Your Honor.
someone
Lack of
wiped.
foundation. He's referring to exhibits that aren't in evidence.
All right,
I have no idea whether they even exist.
I'll sustain
I'm
it.
dying.
Next question.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
okay, you said he sustained an injury to
Oh my god. He objected his own question. Oh my god. He even laughed about it. It was like, oh my god, get out. Who's this lawyer? His whole play is this. This is their all play. They had nothing. They had nothing. They're like, okay, let's use this crack in the court, like this squeak, the squeak, and let's find this thing that we can constantly use. Objection, hearsay, compound, ask and answer, like constantly the same shit, just to not let them speak the truth. Literally, he outplayed himself.
One of his
well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
Okay, he said he sustained an injury to his finger.
One of his
Well,
fingers.
rejection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next
okay, he said he sustained
Oh my
an injury.
god. Oh, she's losing this. Oh, now she's losing this. Oh my god. Yeah, it's done. It's done. She's over. It's over for her.
You